Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, G-DoesIt. My name is Given Mbata and I am back with another video. First and foremost, I just like to give thanks, to be grateful for you guys, the subscribers that I've received, the growth that I've received from you guys, and the love. And I know I have not posted in a while, but I promise I am back, and I am back with better and bigger content. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get right into the video. Before I forget, if you guys would like to see shorter hacks, shorter videos, like, you know, your DIY hacks, your whatever, really shorter videos, be sure to check out my Instagram. I've changed my handle, so my Instagram, I'll link it on the description box below, and you guys be sure to check that out. So yeah, without wasting any more of your time, let's get right into the video. So I'm going to be DIYing this old storage I've had for quite some time, since I was in high school. So I'm just going to give it a little bit of life, give it a little bit of TLC, you know, and yeah, only using basically some marble contact paper, squeegee, spray paint, and something to cut the contact paper. Let's first clean this up. Yeah, first took it apart. Let me do this on camera. Now that we have it apart, I'm just going to start cleaning it up, just giving it a good wash using warm water with some detergent soap. Nothing special there, just to remove any dirt, any dust, and in preparation for our spray paint to set well. So all I'm doing now is giving it a good wipe down after washing it. So now it's time to apply the contact paper. All I'm doing is just measuring it to size, and then you're just going to grab your cutter and you're going to cut your contact paper using a ruler if you can, just to measure straight. I just grabbed my tape measure because that's all I could find at that time. And yeah, probably best to also do this indoors because the wind outside was a bit much for me, but hey. So now comes my favorite part to do. A project is not done without me spray painting something. So I'm just going to be spray painting this whole part black, the legs basically. And then just allow your spray paint to dry in between coats. Now, before the reveal, I'm just going to pack all these tools into that storage. There we go, we have it all packed down, neat, and yeah. So there you have it, a very multifunctional, easy, cheap, affordable DIY project that you can do for yourself. And we can use it as a storage as well as a bedside table. Style it however you want to style it. For watching up until the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, and see you next time.